Hello, I'm Karen. Welcome to Karen Massey Therapies. In this short video, we're going to explore how to carry out step 4 of the bubbles hierarchy. So in step 4, we're going to build on the phonation that we've already achieved and also on developing that lip rounding. And step 4, again, we're going to do it 10 times in a row for success. And this time, instead of blowing and catching the bubble on the wand, we're going to present the wand vertically in front of the child's mouth. And this is all about blowing bubbles as we think of them normally. And it's blowing bubbles through the wand. So 1, 2, 3, and so on until we've got to 10. At first you may achieve 1 or 2 and then not achieve success after that. That's fine. You're just going to aim gradually to build up to those 10 blows through the wand. So that's step 4 of the bubbles hierarchy. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you'd like to find out more about supporting children with autism and childhood apraxia of speech, you can find out more in our book, which is available on Amazon. And you can also come and meet us at one of our live events. We are currently holding workshops for parents in Manchester. We'd love to see you there. You can find out more on Eventbrite or on our social media pages. Thank you.